Good morning, everybody. I take this opportunity to welcome you to this live broadcast on Alliance in Motion Global. My name is Masagana Setkwe. I am an entrepreneur with Alliance in Motion Global. The topic for discussion this morning is how to guarantee success with the AIM Global system. Alliance in Motion Global has a system. Every company has a system. There is a way that has been tried and proven over the many years Alliance in Motion Global has been in existence that has created thousands of multimillionaires worldwide. Our system is tried, it is tested, it is proven. And there is a way that you can guarantee that you can also become successful with the system. And today I'm going to share with you 5 things that you can do to guarantee that you are not only going to hear about people who have succeeded with the system, but you yourself will become a success with the system. The 5 steps are: join the system, learn the system, follow the system, stay with the system, and teach the system. These are the 5 things or the 5 steps to guarantee yourself lasting success by following the AIM Global system. The first one is join the system. No matter how good food is, if you don't take in the food, you are not going to get the benefits from the food. In the same way, even though the AIM Global system is tried and tested over many years, if you don't plug yourself into the system, if you don't connect with the system by joining the system, you are not going to get the benefits other people are getting in the AIM Global business. So the first thing you must do is to join the system. Register to become a distributor with Alliance in Motion Global. The good news is that with less than $300 and even less than $200 in some countries like Ghana and in Nigeria, you can plug into this system. And the good news is also that we have a smaller package called Associate Package or New Global Package in some countries, which is even sometimes around just $100, and with that less than 100 or around $100 investment, you can still become an independent distributor with Alliance in Motion Global and follow the system that can also make you a multi-millionaire. So the first step is join the system. Register to become an independent distributor with Alliance in Motion Global. The second thing to do is learn the system. It's good to join, but if you don't know or understand the system, you will not be able to use the system. Mr. Richard Branson, the founder of the Virgin Group of Companies, said that if somebody introduces an opportunity to you, and you can see that it's a good opportunity, but you don't understand, don't worry. Don't waste your time to try to understand it. Once you are sure it's a good opportunity, join. Then learn to understand and to operate it later on. Because there are some things that if you are not involved in, you can never learn. So you might waste your time just waiting to understand, because the reality is that if you are not inside, you may not fully understand. But once you can see the evidence of the thousands of people who have received tremendous improvement in their health by using the products, and the thousands of people who have received tremendous improvement in their finances by following the system, is good enough evidence for you to know that it's a good system to join. But after you join, you must understand it. You must learn. In AIM Global, we have free trainings in our offices every day. If you are not near an office, we have an online training school where you can also get the same important trainings everywhere you are in the world 24/7, so that you can also learn the system. The teams that you will join also have training systems, and some even have training academies that will train you and give you a certificate to prove and show that you have actually been trained in the business. All these are done to ensure that you can learn the system. Once you are available, once you are ready, and once you follow the instructions of your uplines, you can get all the training you need to learn the system so that you can use it very, very well. The third thing is that follow the system. It's good to join. It's good to learn the system. But if you don't follow the system, it still will not benefit you. If you don't do the things that you have learned, it will still not follow you. So you must begin to take massive, consistent, productive, daily action. You must take massive action. You must be consistent in the action. The action must be productive. The action must be daily action. So every day, take massive, productive action. That is the only way you will get the benefits from the system, by following the system. The system says that when you join with one account, just join 2 other people, and you may not even have to join anybody again. Help the 2 to also get 2 people, and help everybody who will join to also bring 2 people. If people join and they just bring 2 people and don't even do anything again, in a few years you will become a multi-millionaire, even in dollars. The system is simple but powerful. The system says when you join, learn. I've already spoken about learning. The system says follow the instructions and the guidance of your uplines. So you must be prepared to follow the system. It is simple, it is duplicable. All you need is a will and a determination to follow the system and do whatever you are asked to do. The first thing is stay with the system. You need to focus on the AIM Global system. Sometimes people get swayed away by get-rich-quick schemes. They see people in other network marketing companies or in other businesses who appear to be making a lot of money within a quick period of time. But the research has shown that things that come easy don't last, and things that last don't come easy. Don't follow a get-rich-quick scheme, because the research has shown that usually they don't last and people end up losing their investment. Stay focused in AIM Global. The system has produced thousands of millionaires. Stay with the system. Follow the system. You will become successful in AIM Global if you can focus on the system and follow the system. The daily potential can be as high as almost $10,000 US dollars a day. You won't get it in a few weeks or months that you join. But if you can follow this system, eventually, in a few years, you can hit that level. The good news is that the process you follow to hit that level and the things you will do to hit that level will be such that once you hit that almost $10,000 a day level, it remains like that. So don't be swayed by people getting money quickly in other systems. Stay with us. In the long run, we have the best sustainable system. Stay with us. The final thing to do is teach the system. After you join, you learn, you follow, and you stay with the system, your real success will be in your ability to get other people to also do the same thing. That is duplication. So you must now begin to teach the system to other people. Multiply your effect, and you multiply the benefits that you are going to get. That is duplication. So you must learn the system well such that you can also teach other people the system. That is how you can guarantee success in AIM Global. By joining the system, by learning the system, by following the system, by staying with the system, and by teaching others the system. This is the process of guaranteeing yourself success in AIM Global. So I want to encourage you, first of all, if you are not in AIM Global, take the step to join the business. It is tried and tested. We are stronger and we are over 12 years in the industry. Research says that businesses that are not good do not survive 5 years. We've survived 5 years, we've survived 12 years, and we have been awarded by a lot of institutions as being the best in network marketing. And we have 2 Guinness World Record. We've done 2 things no other person or company has done since the world began. We have 2 Guinness World Record. So we are the people that if you really want success in life, you must join. That is why we keep passionately talking about the AIM Global business, because we know that we are the best choice for you. If you don't try us, you will never know. So join the system, learn the system, follow the system, stay with the system, and teach the system. You will be guaranteed success for life. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for watching. This is where I will end this presentation. You are welcome to the wonderful world of Alliance in Motion Global, where we turn ordinary people into extraordinary millionaires in more than 200 countries worldwide. Happy Business Day.